Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you step by step how you can create, list and sell your Canva templates online, even if you are a complete beginner. So it's super easy and I'll walk you through everything from creating your first template to uploading it on marketplaces. Let's jump in. Before you start designing your templates, you need to decide what kind of templates you want to sell. Think about what people search for, such as things like Instagram posts and Reels template, business card, planners or ebooks, or maybe YouTube thumbnails. So you need to focus on one niche, for example, fitness coaches, real estate agents, or small business owners. So this will help you your shop stand out and attract the right buyers. So now you can just open Canva and start designing your first templates. You can use Canva Free or Pro, whichever you have, and keep your design clean, editable, and easy to customize. Then you can need to use fonts and elements that are free for commercial use. So avoid pro-only items if you plan to sell the template for free users. So once you're done designing your templates, you can just click on share button and then go with the template link and share a link to use as a template. So this is super important. It lets your buyers make their own editable copy without changing your original design. You can just copy the link and save it, and you'll use it later when uploading your products. So if you're ready to sell, you can upload your templates maybe on Etsy. So it's great for creative digital downloads. This one, Etsy in here. Or you can also use Gumroad. It's perfect for direct sales or creative markets for premium templates. And don't forget, when listing, you need to include the mockups, Canva template link, and write a clear description explaining what's included and how customers can use it. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and sell Canva templates online step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.